Hey everyone. About a week ago, I did a Palestine rebuild, but I have been informed by my Israeli sponsors that entirely fund this channel that Israel was actually promised a rebuild over 5,000 years ago. I had no knowledge of this and didn't want to do it, but my hand was forced. Make sure to join my channel and follow me on Twitter, and let's get straight into this. This might be my most genius joke so far. It's Jew Martin. We're bringing back Joe Martin in the form of Jew Martin. That is genius. We need an outfit for him. What would Jews be wearing? Let me get a Jewish fit up. Okay. We need a white polo, black jacket. Wait, why do I still have a tie? I don't want a fucking tie. Why has he got a tie? What the hell? Jew Martin, get rid of the fucking tie. Okay. I guess we can't remove the tie. You can tell he's Jewish because of that nose right there. Let me remove the glass. Oh my goodness me. Look at that thing. Look at that absolute monster of a nose. It's amazing. It's amazing. I can't remove the tie for some reason. That's fine. I wanted to give him a hat. Now that's kind of Jewish. That's kind of Jewish. You comprehending me? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. If it was black though, which it's not. I don't know. Do we? I don't really want Joe Martin with hair. Can I remove the hair? I don't think I can. It's good enough like this. He's undercover. What am I saying? Let's get into the actual FIFA of the video. All right, welcome everybody to Jew FC. Nickname the Semantics. Jew Martin is here. There he is. There he is. The Jew FC. Wow. Take that! What goes around comes around. Actually, it sounds like what Israelis be saying on Twitter. Holy shit. Toby, you want to join my team? He looks Indian as well, so it's realistic. He's looking good, though. He's looking good to the fact that he's Jewish. Let's go look at the team because a couple Israeli legends have come to help us out. Peretz in goal from Bayern Munich. He wants to join the team. I'll sign him up. It's Manor Solomon. Of course it's Manor Solomon. Gotta have him in the team. Oscar Gloch is in the team as well. I didn't even know he was Israeli. And then this Safuri guy, because I actually thought he looked like a fucking demon, which is realistic. He is Israeli, but he genuinely looks like one of my thumbnails. That's insane. And then up front, no, we are not doing this shit, debug. We are not doing this every fucking video at this point. Every fucking video. What is this? No! Get off my team. Get off my team. Get off. You stay down there, okay? I do not want to see your fucking face. Don't look at me. No. Didn't even sign that guy. I don't even know how we got here. We got 4 players from Israel. Fuck, my head's gone. My head's gone, man. 4 players from Israel to help the team. Can he play as a center midfielder? Well, the main goal for this video is we got to be lowballing, and we got to be using only the transfer market. We got to be buying players that people want but can't look after for cheap as hell, and then selling them onto them in 10 years' time. I mean, look how many players we have to pick from. I mean, we can get Christians 8 million. Let's get a bit of a contract expiring on the transfer window. Fair enough. Neil Morpay, contract expiring 3-4 mil. Fair enough. Manu Trigueros, contract expired. Fair enough. I'm a big fan of this. Nobody wants to join UFC. That is the ugliest man I've ever seen in my life. Oh, Jesus Christ. Actual Black Frankenstein. No, I mean, he's not going to see that. But I need to actually... No, he genuinely just looks like that. All right, Divock Origi. Transfer listed. Nobody wants to join Jew FC. Why, guys? Palestine attacked us first, I promise you. If you have the brain of a 3-year-old, you join. Apparently, Divock Origi doesn't want to join UFC, so put this on Twitter. Divock Origi, pro-Palestine. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you today. I won't be telling you again. Nobody wants to fucking join. All right, release clause. Oh my God, a Jew with a release clause? What? This sucks. No, actually, literally nobody wants to join my team. I've never had this. Abdel Khadib Akbar. No, okay, genuinely nobody wants to join. All right, fine. Okay, fine, guys. You fucking win with your anti-Semitism. Fuck you guys, by the way. Israel #1. All right, you know what, though? I bet you on my life, if we try and sign an Indian player, they will join. Let's find the highest rated Indian player. All right, Rahul Beke. I bet you on my life he will join. Of course. Of fucking course. Of course. Of course. Of course the Indian will join us. I'm not signing him. I'm not signing him. You know what? You can have the bag. They don't want the bag. Of course The one player that will join me is the fucking Indian guy. That is absolute. Well done, FC25. You know what? I'm gonna take my rating for this game from a 3 to a 4 out of 10 because that is just true realism. Football realism, everybody. Well, as we can't sign anybody, I guess this is going to be the team for the first half of the season. We're in League 1. We should get promoted first season, but I'm still going to look in the Youth Academy, by the way. We're going to be calling it not the IDF, but the IAF for the Israel Academy Football. And I want to get at least one academy. Do we have any upcoming youngsters? Any? No, there's nobody good. Nobody good. Well, I'm going to see you guys in January. See how the Israelis are doing. January is here, and I've got some exciting prospects to talk about. I sent them on loan for 6 months. They've come back. They've done pretty good. They did also get really fucking glitched, but I fixed it. We got 2 center-backs in Duty Katz and Georgia Levi from Israel. 2 amazing center-backs. These are the kind of center-backs I wanted in my slavery video. And then a center midfielder of Adam Shaddad, who's alright. He's the only one that didn't get fucking glitched. And I had to, like, kill them and bring them back to life. I think these guys can just immediately go in the team, actually. Yeah, Katz and Levi, straight into the team. And honestly, I want to see now if I can actually buy somebody. Well, can we do some Jewish dealing? Or no, I don't want a fucking Indian. Transfer listed. We need, like, a left back, a right back, or a right midfielder. I could do the right midfielder, actually. Lucas Mazepus, 1.6 million. We don't have any money. Why don't we have any money? Let's see. Does the Jew want to join us now? No, he does not. But Mazepus is the first player that will join UFC. 1.6 million? No. You want 1.6 million? Did I hear you want £1.6 million? I think that's what I heard. Am I wrong? 1.1 million? I heard that you want 1.15 million. You want 1100,000? I had 1 million and 100. You want 1,050,000? I'm pretty sure I had 1 million and 500. Am I wrong? It's too easy. It's too easy. All right, we're gonna fucking lowball you. 1,500,000. That is gotta be an A. It's an A. It's an A. Thank you very much. What a deal. What a deal. Now we just need a right back, a left back, a center midfielder, and a striker. I kind of want a striker. I'm willing to locate. I'm willing to relocate. I'm willing to relocate. Oh. I want a striker that's not a regen. I don't like regens. No blacks either. I don't think we like blacks. Do we like black people? Probably not. All right, 2.8 million release clause. That's how far can we lowball them? £1 million. You fucking pieces of shit. Raul Alcena, 3.4 million. 1.8 million. It's too easy. How good's that deal then? How good's that deal? Gotta be an A. Gotta be an A. Fuck! And fucking DeBug's still here. Piss off, man. Okay, now you can go on the bench. I want you to play over Jackson, actually. I like the real players more. Well, there we go. 2 sightings. 2 sightings of the team. We just need 3 more. And the team is done for getting out all these evil white people. These evil white demons. I mean, as a Jew, I'm a white person, but all white people should die, actually. How are we doing in the league? Gotta be first place. Beautiful first place. Love to see that. Who scored the goals? It's going to be that striker in it. Yeah, Jackson. Solomon doing well. Glock doing well. Fucking the bag. I hate him. Let's get on with this season. We were promised this league 3,000 years ago, and by God, were we going to take it. UFC wins it with no fucking competition at all. It wasn't even close. Wasn't even close. Oh my God, Lee's in the final. I don't know how we didn't even get... Where did we go out in the Bristol Street Motors? We got the group stage. Morecambe! All right, whatever. Looking at the stats, it's still that one striker. He's pretty fucking good, isn't he? Freddie... Can we make him an honorary Jew, or do you think no? Solomon doing well. Glock doing well. I don't know who Andrew is. Don't care. The fucking bag. Okay, now. At least he scored. George Levi. Mazepus. It's all right. Nothing to write home to Poland about, but you know, we're getting somewhere. We just need 3 more signings, and we'll have no more fucking white trash in this team. Aside the white trash that we want in the team, but you know, that's different. We need to sign a pedophile or a rapist. I'm thinking we go either Mason Greenwood or Thomas Partey. Subscribe to Mason Greenwood, like the video for Thomas Partey, and I'll check after the video which got more, and I'll sign them. Let's get to the next season. Good morning, USA. I mean, Israel, same thing. We are in season number 2, and let's look at the team. team is pretty good, but we need the left back. We need the right back. We need the center midfielder. Honestly, we might even have to go for a better striker. Shit needs to change. Let's check. Let's check our transfer hub of transfer listed players. Will anybody want to join? Kwame, Mope. Let's see. Origi, Kwame, or Mope? Who do I want? I want Kwame, obviously. He is he's dead. Neil Mope, I guess. We'll go Neil Mope. All right, Neil Mope will join UFC finally. They want 3 million. Did I hit 2.3 million, or am I going crazy? 2.7. I think I had 2 and then 0.7. Okay, I could do that. 2.3? I don't know if I'm hearing wrong, but I think I had 2.2. Sean Dyche is having none of my bullshit. Well, I've never seen that camera. Just give me the fucking money, all right? 2.3? 2.3? I think I had 2.3. 2.25? I think I had 2.2 with £5. Sean Dyche, do not fuck with me, okay? How about 2.2, £500? Is that what you're saying? Sean, 2.2 and then £5,000? Is that what you're saying? You piece of shit. All right. You said 2.23. Is that what the 3's about? Sean Dyche has beaten Israel. I can't buy a player for. I had to buy it for my value. Sean Dyche has beaten Israel. Let's see if there's any more transfer listed strikers. Absolutely nobody good enough. Okay, nobody good enough at all. No midfielders are transfer listed. Jesus Christ. All right. Oh, free agents actually. That would be a big saving money time. Is there any good free agents? Adrian Benedictjak. He could be Jewish. He's Polish. You know, all Israelis were Poland. All Israelis were Polish at one point. Squad role important. Yep. 4 years. Yep. Release clause. No release clause. 9.5. How about 7.5? 9.5. How about 8,000? 9.5. Okay. 9.5. But how about no signing bonus? Another win. Another win. We're getting really good at this. It's fucking Sean Dyche, the piece of shit. All right, he's going on the right. I still need a right back or a left back. German Aguirre. Oh my god. Wait, is this a fucking? Wait. Is this who I figured it's there's no way. Is this Carvajal's regen? I guess we'll find out from the potential. 4.8k? How about 2.8k? All right, 4.8k. But how about 19k release clause? We win again. We win again. I don't believe he is. I think he's just a random regen player that's for some reason pretty good. But he goes into the team over Swift. Over Swift. You can go there. And then Benedictjak, you're coming in over Mazepust. There we go. And now we just need a center midfielder. We'll check the release clause. I need a center midfielder, please. Gonzalo Abrego. He's got how much is his release clause? 6.8 million. All right, let's just play it down on that 6.8 million. I feel like I had 3.3 million. Am I wrong? I don't think 50% track. Oh, you want me to take 15% of the value off? Okay. Yeah, I can do that. Oh, it's getting too easy. It's getting too easy. Fuck! Mads Bidstrup, 9.3 million release clause. I think 9.3 million. I think he's actually just worth 3 million. Oh, wait. Just give me him free. Oh. We've not spent a single penny on that upgrade. Oh, now that is lovely. Now that is lovely. Look at the nose on him. Did you see that schnoz? He could be. 10k? You'll take 10k. Of course you'll take 10k. And in the team you go, Bidstrup. Oh. Aside Swift, who I'm going to keep another season because he's the captain. This team is looking beautiful. I mean, we're not very young at all. We're nowhere near young. We're probably not going to grow much at all. But, I mean, this back line, right? These three, mate. Either way, let's just go to January. And here we are. The beautiful month of January. Let's see how we're doing. 22nd? No. Why? What's happened? I mean, I know we're not very good. I've got to buy fucking coaches. I'm an idiot. I always do that bullshit. And I've done it. I always forget for a couple seasons. Well, I think something's got to change. Do we have any transfer offers? We do. Cats. I'm never selling cats, but Ryan Hayes. Let's go see if we can upmarket Ryan Hayes. You want him? How about this? 2.2 million. Fuck! I need to buy a player. I need a striker. I need a striker. Sergio Camelo. If I can scum them, I can afford him. 13 million? How about 10 million and £3? How about that? Fuck! Francundo Coladio. He's actually really cheap for some reason. Facundo, 12 million. How about 8 million and 12 pounds? Fuck! Angel Alarcon. It's only like a +2, but he's 21 years old. It's looking for the future. Future tells me he's worth 3.4 million and nothing more. Oh my god. Dion Drainer Beljo. That's such a goated name. You better fucking join. You better join. He's worth 15 million. How about he's worth 11 million? Okay. Okay, now we're talking 11.8 million. How about 10.8 million? Fuck you. 11.8 million. How about 11? And then I'll give you 0.8. 11.5? How about 11.5? 11.1? All right, all right. How about 11.1? Non-negotiable. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I think you'll take that. There's no way we're doing this. There's no way we're doing this. 11.9. A little bit more sell, course. It's too easy. It's too easy. Deandrina Beljo is an A. You don't get better than that, buddy. You don't get better than that. Wow. I got 700k better than the best deal. I'm the GOAT. I'm actually becoming Jewish. Okay, well, with him in the team, now we don't have to use fucking Debag anymore. And Alcana and Debag. You both can fuck off. Beljo, welcome to the team. And now we have our coaches. Now we have our training plans. Now we have a good striker. Out the relegation zone. First place. We're winning the league. We're gonna win the league! I need to check the stats, actually. Wow. Wow. This guy is the striker with the most goals. Debag, you are so shit. Both of you are shit. Thank God we got a new striker. Let's go on the end of the season. Well, I got bad news and kind of good news. We are out the relegation zone, but only a point above it. And as you can see there in the corner, we are against Sunderland. So if we lose, we go down, basically. Well, that's not actually how that works, is it? But we could. If Bolton beats QPR and Middlesbrough beats whatever, we could go down if we lose. So we don't really want to fucking lose, okay? So I want to play this game. UFC, my centre-backs are incredibly glitched, by the way. I don't know why these youth players, they keep going down to 10 rated. I don't understand why. Most glitched youth players I've ever used. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Chadad is 3 overall. I have no idea why this is happening. We need a win, or we're back down in League 1. Be the first channel relegation in a while. Oh, my God. Back across. I don't know why I didn't just shoot. I don't know why I did. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm a stone cold idiot. That's really nice. That's perfect. And the pole on the right. What a header. What a goal. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. For fuck's sake. What a goal. Go, go. Counter, counter. What a counter. And we are in here. I've red timed it. I've red fucking timed it. That should have been a goal. Another one? Another one! Yes! This kid is good. This kid is very good. Oh, corner goals. Some of that, they make me feel nice inside. I feel creamy inside. Oh my God, he's in. Oh my God, for our first half hat-trick. Yes! The pole. A first half hat-trick. What a signing he's big. Half-time, 3-1 up. And relegation is looking unlikely now. We just need a win or draw. And we're 2 goals up at half. Aguirre. Back. Back to Aguirre. Hit that. Oh! Screamer. Screamer. That is what I love. Who even is Aguirre? Who even is that? The centre-back, I think? What a goal. Game over. We survived relegation. 4-1. Hat-trick for him. What a game. What a game. What a game. What a game. 19 goals for him. Brilliant. Glock done well. Solomon done right. He's not great, is he? He's not great, Beljo. Oh, well. Oh, well. The bag and Alcaina, also terrible. We got 3 bad strikers. Why is everybody happy? Oh, because the team's doing bad, of course. That's why. That's why they're all unhappy. Now, that makes sense. Let's get on to the next season. New year, new me. We need big, big changes. I mean, the centre-backs were fucked. They're gone, I think. Are they gone? Are they gone? One of them's died. 2 of them have died. Interesting. Those centre-backs were something was glitched about them. We need 2 centre-backs. We need a cam. We need 2 centre-backs and we need a cam. And we got a lot of money. Jewish, we got a lot of money. I'm not going to tell you where I got the money, but I got a lot of money. One thing a Jew will never tell is where he gets his money. So let's go and get some centre-backs. Gustavo Huetin, they want 16 million. I feel like they want 6 million. I feel like they want not 16, 5 million. Oh! That guy was so ugly it hurt. Reese Berry, they want 6 million for him? I feel like they want 4 million. I'm not sure why. Fuck! Francisco Canales, they want 8 million. I feel like they want 8 million. 8.4 million? How about 8.4 million? How about that? Oh yeah! Carlos Costa, they want 8 million. I feel like they want 8 million. Roberto Cardenas, they want 7 million. I'll give them 6.3 million. How about that? Oh, I know they're young, but come on. All right, fine. It'll be a low ball since they want 9 million to give them 7 million. All right, okay. 8.2 million. Yeah, 8.2. You fucking legend. Yeah. Canales and Cardenas are in. We're getting a very Spanish squad going on here. Aguirre. Okay. Oh, wait, he's not. I thought he was Spanish. I'm going crazy. Then we need a cam. Well, we have that black cam, but I don't really want to play it. Let's see if we can do a trade deal for Andrews. That would make me if we could do that. All right, let's go for Baldacini. I can afford him. I can afford him, especially if I lowball. Baldacini, how about you give him us for 21 million? Whoa! Okay. 23 million. How about that? 24? How about you give it 22.4? 20? 23? How about 23? What a player. Safuri. Oh, he's genuinely terrifying. You're gone. Baldacini, you're... Look at this motherfucker. 15 overall. I don't know who this is. Hello. Welcome to the team, I guess. Look at it, 15 overall. You used to be like 74 rated. What happened, man? What happened? Well, now the team is actually looking really, really nice, especially if we get growth across the board here. I do need some more coaches, but the attack is what I like. I think I think all 5 of our attackers could hit 80 this year, and then hopefully our center backs get close. Let's get on with the season. Well, we made it in January. Let's see how we're doing. We are in 4th. We're in 4th. The Jews are in 4th. This promotion was promised to us last year, and we could be going for the title here. We're only 3 points off, and you got to say those transfers really did the thing, didn't they? They really were the thing. Of course, Benedjak with 12 goals and 6 assists. Beljo having a decent season. Mazepust still playing and doing brilliantly. I don't care. If he's good, he's good. New signing Baldacini. What ratings are the players on? Not much growth, actually, still. I still don't have the best coaches in the world. And a couple of these players aren't on training plans. But decent growth. Could be a little bit more, to be honest. I'd prefer a little bit more. Hopefully by the end of the season, at least he will be 80 rated. He deserves it. Need more growth from the center backs as well. Hopefully they actually have good potential. Let's just go straight on to the end of the season. That is going to be one of the best turnarounds in championship history. Last season, we survived relegation on the final day. This season, we win the fucking title over Ipswich and Burnley. We win the title. What a change. What even changed that much? I mean, we got a new cam that was maybe 2 ratings higher than the old one. And that was it, really. I mean, the center backs were... Whoa! That's growth. He made it to 80. Let's go. That's good. But that is growth from Cardenas, I'm noticing. He's at 80 as well. I think it may be the center... I don't know, because our center backs were this rating before they became glitched halfway through last season. How interesting. I really have no idea why suddenly this team have done so well. But everybody is growing nicely. Need Bidstrup to catch up a bit. I don't think he's going to, which is a shame because he's a really fun player to use in game. But maybe next season we'll have to think about replacing Bidstrup and Swift, my captain. But he's got to. Next season we need an Israeli captain, of course. He's so good. Beljo, beautiful. Fuck you, man. Do we get it? Does he get golden boot with that performance? He does not. We never get golden boot. Never, ever get golden boot. That's season 3 done. We're in the Premier League. It only took 3 seasons. We are doing well with UFC. The Premier League was promised to us. So if we don't win it next season, I'm going to be so fucking mad. I'll tell you what we need. New center midfielder and a new right back. Let's look in here, see if we can find anybody. I'm looking for 80 rated. 80 rated, but he was Jota Silva? No. Danilo, no. There's not going to be anybody good enough in there. Need a center midfielder. Look at 80. 80 is the limit. 79, that's good enough. He's only 21. That is good enough for me. A little bit of Swiss talent. 33 million. How about 27 million? Fuck! Oliver R. Blaster. Come on, give it, come on, okay. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. 12 million. They're not gonna take it, it's over, it's over. Wow. Wow, no, no, no. No, no, no. 15.6 million. No, 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 no. I'll give him, I cannot go, I'm not going over his market value. 16.9. No, no, no. No, 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 no. 16.9999. Yes! Ha, ha, ha. It's good enough for me. We got Oliver R. Blaster in. Now we need a right back. All right, we'll go for Rolf Christensen then. Don't ask me where I got my money from. Don't ask me, okay? I'm not fucking telling you. I'm gonna report you to the fucking police if you even ask me where I got the money from. It's anti-Semitic. It's anti-Semitic. I don't need to share my business practices with you. Oh! Oh, fuck. 21.4. Oh, fuck. Non-negotiable? Shit. No, I genuinely want this guy, actually. 28.7. Alright, we have upgraded the team. Bidstrup, you're gone! You're gonna be a good backup option, though. Don't worry. I've still got plans for you in my heart. Well, Oliver R. Blaster +1, and then Christensen for Swift. Now, captain. It's between Gloch, Solomon, and Peretz. And honestly, I think it's gonna be Oscar Gloch. Oscar Gloch, you have earned the captaincy of UFC. Make sure he sees this video. Make sure he knows. I mean, we should be doing all right in the Premier League. Probably top 10, but we never get top 10 no matter the team. We'll probably get 19th and we'll probably get liquefied halfway through the season. Yeah, we're going to go out of business soon. Never would a Jewish business go out of business. Never. Well, we're mid-table schlop, as predicted by me. I don't think I predicted that, but we always are 15th. I'm like the Crystal Palace YouTuber. I'm literally the Crystal Palace of YouTube. And you can see why the growth has not been good. I need to do these fucking coaches and these fucking training plans. I keep fucking forgetting. Fucking dick. When I do that, hopefully things should turn around. We're not too happy either, though. I mean, yeah, I thought this team would be better by now. That is my bad, everybody. That is my bad. 5 goals in 9 games. Holy shit. Because Belgium can't score. Belgium, you're shit, mate. You're shit, mate. Oh, well. Nothing to fucking point out then. I'm going to do the coaches. I'm going to do the training plans. Please, can we push for Europe? I doubt it, but just a top 8, maybe? Please. Well, that was a gay nothing season. Actual gay nothing season. Can we gay nothing season button? We weren't close to Europe. Well, we were 8 points. No, we were 10 points. And we were 15 points from 14 points from 15 points from relegation. We're just literally I'm just Crystal Palace. Every fucking team is just Crystal Palace. I'm noticing decent growth in the second half of the season, especially from Aguirre, who's finally showing me what he's about. But everybody is now over an 80, which they weren't at the start, so I'm happy with that. I am happy with that. Next season, even more growth, please. Let's check in the statings. Of course, he's so good. He's so good, isn't he? He should be growing more than plus. He is 27. He is so good, though. There's Beljo bringing it back. Gloch doing well. The bag. Well, it's all around decent stuff, to be honest. But it's a nothing season. Next season, we go for Europe. You know what? I'm going to do big signings in the summer. We're going to go for Champions League. Big money moves will be made today. Wow, everybody is on international duty. Where do I want to upgrade? I don't want to upgrade the striker position. I kind of want to do that. I don't want to remove any of the Israelis. The Israelis must stay. I mean, we could just go in for an immediate replacement for our blaster. Let's go. Let's see if we can get like a really good striker. Like, I'm talking best in the world striker. How about Big Benny boy, Benjamin Sheshko? This signing would be incredible for UFC. This would change everything, but we have to lowball them. 75 million for Benny. Oh, you fat little piece of shit. 76 million for Benny. You. How about this? You take Beljo, 50 million, and then I give you 23 million. How about that? Oh! You've been scammed, my friend. He's terrible. They just bought the worst striker ever for Benjamin Sheshko plus 20 million. You idiots. You absolute idiots. New star signing, 20 million. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bro got scared of numbers. A? It's a B. It's good enough to me. B? Good enough for me. Pablo Barrios. I saw him quite a few years ago. I should have bought him there. I will buy him now. I will buy Pablo now. Let's see if we can just throw down a cheeky little low ball of 52 million. Oh! We have met the Master Jew. Then we'll give you 26 million, which would be a low ball. Valencia Zonas. They're Jewific. Oh, okay. I think we still lowballed them. But for a second, they were looking like they were Jews. But nope. Jew Martin, still the Master Jew. And another star signing, Pablo Barros. Oliver R. Blaster, goodbye. You were never good enough. I think this team is ready to get Champions League football. Crazy to say, I know, but I think we are ready. With Baldazzini, 86, 88, 86, 85, 82, 81, 82, 83, 82, 82, 82, 82, and the bench. The bench is decent too. Let's get on to January, and I beg to God we're like at least top 6. I'm gonna be so fucking angry if we're like top. If we're 13th, I swear to God. All right, I have no idea what place we are in the league. 8th. Oh my God, we're actually doing better than I thought we would be. We're 8th place. Oh my God. Everybody's got 31 points. That's in fucking fashion right now. We're only 1 point away from Brentford, who are in 4th. Wow, we are actually. Wow, this is the like. So there is 3 points from 10th to 4th. Okay. That's kind of scary, and I don't like it. We could either finish 10th or we could finish 4th. Statistically, the reason we're up here is Benjamin Šeško. Finally, we got a real striker on our hands. 10 goals. Gloch. He's already up +2 this season with a 9 and 3. And any surprises? Not really. No surprises. Let me look at. Let me have a look at the team. Let me have a look-see around here. Let me have a look-see. It's all growing beautifully. I mean, if we keep growing at this speed, by the end of the season, Šeško should be 90. Baroš and Baldazzini should be getting there. And Aguirre with the big growth as well. He is turning out to be some player. I think he was his regen. I'm not sure. It's all growing beautifully. Oh, mwah! I do want to play a game this season, so let's hope something happens. If not, I'm just going to play a random ass game. Hey, everybody. End of the season. And we are... Oh, my God. Look how close this is. 62 to 61 to 64. 8th to 3rd. We are playing, you guessed it, Newcastle. We are the final game of the season. So if we win, or if we even draw, we get top 4. A win or a draw, just not a fucking loss, okay? And we get top 4. Chelsea are like, please, Newcastle, please. Win or a draw. I don't care if I draw. I mean, look at this team. You can see why we've been pushing up here. Šeško didn't make it to a 90 in the end. Maybe he'll make it after the game. That's a shame. But just come on. There's no way we lose. I mean, we might. They are like, what, 3rd? They're pretty good. They're pretty damn good. I do have beef with Newcastle in the past, as many of you will know. I fucking hate Newcastle. But, you know, this Champions League spot was promised to us 1,000 years ago. There's the big pole. Into the midfield. Boom! 1-0 just like that. In. He's so in. He's so far in. Boom! Oh, my God, Šeško's good. Oh, my God, he's good. 2-0. 9 minutes. Oh, fuck. What a tackle, Christiansen. Uh-oh. No. That's so scripted. I say it every goal at this point, but look at this. Yep. Just perfectly to him. He was prepared. It was written that it would happen. That's such a fucking foul. Just kill him. That's what you fucking get. Oh, my God. It's scripted. It's so fucking dumb. I hate Newcastle. Yeah, something's going on with my players. They're so janky suddenly. Beautiful. The captain, when his team needs him. UFC. It was promised to him. Go, for fuck's sake. Oh, they're trying to win it as well. Why is bro going to get the ball? Like he's going to fall out of the... You're not going to fall out of the top 4 if we win. And there he is, Manor Solomon. Yes! Surely that's the winner. What a shot, by the way. Off the crossbar. I knew I had to. And he's absolutely fucking digged that one in. No. Let me switch across. Fuck! Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, referee. But we've done it. We have done it. I believe. I'll be really mad if we haven't done it. We don't get 3rd, but we do get 4th. And that is Champions League football, and that's all I care about. I don't know why the referee called it there. I feel like we should have been allowed to attack at least. But oh well. Who took us here? Who did it for us? It was Gloch this season. Beautiful performance. And Sheshko doing well on his debut season. And oh my god, what a performance. 26 from Benezjak. Beautiful. Champions League football next season. We're not going to win it next season.
Probably get knocked out of the fucking group stage with shit. But we can go in the transfer market.
See if we can improve anywhere. I'm not sure though. Let's get on with it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, this team is good. Christensen is lacking behind. He's the only one. And honestly, Benezjak, for how good he is. No, I don't want to replace Benezjak. We'd end up being worse. There's not really anywhere I want to replace. I'm extremely happy with this team. And I can't obviously replace the Israelis in Glock, Solomon, and Perez. They're here for until the career mode ends. They cannot leave the first team. It was promised to them. But this whole back four, Aguirre will probably be 90 by the end of the season. Canales might be 90 or 80. Probably, I'm going to go 90, 88, 88, 86. Sheshko should be 90. Barrel's like 88, 88, 84. Maybe 90 in Glock. By the end of this season, this will be like the best team in the world. I don't want to replace anything because all these players are too good. Let's go on to January. Well, we're 7th, but I'm not too worried because normally when we're doing bad in the league, it means we're doing good in the Champions League. So how close are we to top 4, by the way? 7 points. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Okay. Well, we're 7th, but we are... we're just shit. We're just shit. That's what we are. We're just shit. How are you below Celtic? How are you below Celtic? Oh my god. Oh, we are so shit. Oh, Commander. Oh, Commander. Ha! Arsenal on the bottom of the table. 3 draws. Lol. How are they doing in the league? 2nd. Ha! That's funny. That's actually quite funny. We're doing well in nothing. So maybe my idea of not signing anybody was a shit gay one and not actually an epic Sigma one. That might be my bad. I won't lie. That might be my bad. Benjamin Sheshko doing well. He's doing all right. Barros is doing all right. I mean, if he's not going to be goal scoring and stuff, I might buy another right midfielder. I don't know. I like him too much. I like him. But there's nothing else really to do or say, is there? I don't know if I'm way too big of a fan of his to get rid of him, honestly, even though we aren't doing amazing. And seeing as everybody else is growing quite nicely, I think I'm going to keep him. Hope he gets a bit more growth, but mainly hope that these 3 here go up to 90 by the end of the season. I mean, if we have that many 90s, it doesn't matter. We have a couple 84s. That's my hope. That's my only hope. I got a fun game for you guys. It's called What the Fuck Just Happened to My Form? And we are 4-0 down to Juventus in the semi-finals. I'm playing this game. 4-0? You're having a laugh. You're having a laugh. This team is too good to be... How good is this Juventus team that we're losing 4-0 with this fucking team? So we need 5 goals to win this. Fucking hell. 4-0 down to UFC. The Champions League final was promised to us. Back to Barros. Barros. Sheshko, beautifully done. It's 1 back. It's 1 back. Don't know why we're celebrating. Now we got to make sure they don't do the thing. Uh-oh. No fucking way. They always do it! They always do the thing! It's always the first attack after I score. They score every fucking time. Has it ever not happened at this point? Terrible pass. Terrible fucking pass. They have to score after I score, or the game, like, ends or something. I don't even fucking know. They've got to, though. Just hit it. Just hit it. Oh! Don't you dare red card him. Don't you dare red card him. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, my God, Barros. Just hit that. Just hit that. Oh! 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 I know he's good. Didn't know he was that good. Wasn't even green time. That just went in. In. Up the wing. Immediate. 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 Oscar Gloch. 5-3. I'd be afraid if I was Juventus. I'd be fucking afraid. We're on fire. We're on actual fire. Yeah, that's just cringe! Aguirre is falling over. He fell over twice in, what, 5 minutes? Bro has the legs of a fucking newborn giraffe. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That's 1 back. 6-4. 2 more in 20 minutes. Pablo. Pablo. Oh, it's Boldazini. Never mind. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, that snuck in. Wait. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes for a goal. And then across. And then in. And then Sheshko! Oh my God! Incredible! Incredible! Absolute football right there. Holy shit. We had our ups and downs, but we are back 0-0. Just beautiful around the box, and he smashes that one home. Have we missed a shot? We have missed a couple shots today. But it doesn't matter. He's moved. He's moved. He's moved. He's moved. End the game, ref. Oh my God, we got lucky there. Why did the centre back move? Why did he do that? No, 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 no. Oh my God, what a save. Go. Go, go. Back to Sheshko. No, fuck. I red-timed it. It's feeling scripted. I'm telling you now. Keep the camera on from now until they're shot because it's feeling extremely scripted. Yeah. When you play this game this long, you could just suddenly tell. It's over. It's over. Yeah, when you do a 6-goal comeback, but the game decides, nah, actually, no. It's going to be more fun if you lose after all that. That's what you want, right? That's what you want. More fun if they do a bicycle kick in the final second of the game to win it. Even though you've just conceded 6 against, you scored 6, so they're obviously fucking shit. But no bicycle kick. Let's, in the last minute, just spice it up a bit. Fuck EA, man. Fuck EA. I hate EA. Oh, I fucking hate this game. Gay fucking game. Fucking EA. Fucking f***s over it. Fucking EA. Fucking kill yourself. Fucking pieces of shit. All they do is make dog shit games for retards. I'm really pissed off right now. Go to the end of next season. What the fuck do you mean this team got 7? This team. These fucking Jews, man. They're so shit. 36 goals and we can't. Just do the transfer window. Okay, future me. Get rid of this fucking guy because he's shit, okay? And get a better player than Rolf Christensen. Replace those two. Go to the end of the season. Well, end of the season is here. I just skipped through it. Wow. And I replaced him, by the way, with Matthias Sul. He did not want to be replaced, I guess. Adrian is just going, isn't he? Sorry for getting mad and trying to replace you. You're the king of it all. Isn't this weird? I cannot see the league, so I don't know what to do. Can I see it in here? I can't. I can't see the league. I have no idea if we've won it or we've lost it. Oh yeah, by the way, we lost the Conference League final 2-0 to Young Boys in that something. Oh, we won the league. And I have to find out through the fucking news. Through the fucking news. We won the league. We are in the Champions League next season. Look how happy he is. UFC. I see we've covered up all information. This is the weirdest glitch ever. Imagine getting like in a relegation final on the final day and you don't know till next season. That is absolutely amazing. Speaking of next season, let's just go there. Well, we lost one of our favorite players in Solomon. He would not agree a new contract. He wanted just money. Of course he did. He's gone where the money goes. So Matthias Sul is obviously going to be playing the left midfield position. I bought him last season. But this team, at this point, if we're not getting like late stage in the Champions League again, I give up. I genuinely give up. There's nothing I want to change. There's nothing at all I want to change. I want to go straight to the Champions League final. No January. If there's no Champions League final, the video will end in 10 seconds. If there is a Champions League final, it will keep going. 10, 9, 3, 2, 1. Thank the fucking, what even is the Jewish God? Themselves? I don't know. Who's the Jewish God? Is it like I genuinely don't know. I know they killed Jesus. Yeah, I know what you did. Peretz. I know what you fucking did. But we have made it. You can see why. This is probably the best team on paper I've ever made. Yeah. I mean, it is season 8 though, so maybe actually not. It's a very good team. It's a very good team. Before the game, let's have a cheeky look at the stats. I didn't bother doing any contracts because, you know, it's this game or bust. Statistically speaking, Sheshko, Barrios, and Adrian, all brilliant seasons. Doing well. Sule, doing very well. Christensen, it's all round decent. It's all round decent. And it is time to be not just all round decent, but all round amazing. We were promised this Champions League 5,000 years ago. This trophy, it was promised to us. Today we will take it. And if Leverkusen decide to fight back, we will accuse him of anti-Semitism. We will accuse him of being genocidal freaks, even though we're the ones that attacked first because we did the kickoff. Oh my God. Boldasini, the Polski, boom! It's been a while since his corner fanatics, but when it's needed, when it matters, he is there to absolutely wallop that one in. No way they did the thing. They always score immediately. Look, what is that, like a 3-minute goal? Are you kidding me? It has to be. No, we score our first attack every time. Kill yourself. Holy fuck, they went in for the kill there. Boldasini, I see that. Canales! I see that! That's a centre-back, by the way. scoring an important goal in the Champions League final. Canales. When do you see a centre-back score him? UFC sees it score him. 0.01 expected goals. Wow. Wow. Let's just make sure they don't score immediately. Boldazini. Over to Sheshko. Oh! Sheshko. Sheshko. That's what I'm fucking talking about. That is beautiful. One more run. Back to Oscar Glock. Oscar Glock across. Tap it in. Smooth as fucking butter. Benjamin Sheshko for UFC. 2 goals. 4-1. Boldazini. He's good as well. He's very good. He's very good. He's very good. He's incredible. He is the best player in the fucking world. In real life, Brighton just scored a goal very similar to like that against West Ham, just on the left side. And that is stunning. He absolutely smashed his nose on the floor after that one. That is stunning. Back across. It's too easy. It's too easy. A penalty when it's 6-1? Such an interesting game. I mean, Palmer. Oh, fucking Cole Palmer. He has to. Penalty merchant. Cole penalty Palmer. I fucking hate him. Why are we doing this? I mean, come on. I could not do a single thing there to not let that go in. Actually, truly incredible. Actually, truly incredible. What is that tackle? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No way. No way. No way. Just leave me alone. I can't get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Yes. We fight the script and we managed to win. Oscar Glock, lift that Champions League trophy for UFC. It was promised to you, buddy. We've done it. We have done it. Well, thank you, everybody, so much for watching the video. It has been an honor being here. Remember, free Palestine. Israel fucking suck. Shout out my Jewish subscribers, though. Not my Zionist subscribers. Gotta make that clear. Yeah, thanks for watching. Join my channel, by the way. I need money. I need money bad.